Lemonade was a popular drink and it still is. I get more props and stunts than Bruce Willis.
What are we doing here, Chief?
We're gonna put some fucking curlovers on the bitch.
Curlovers?
Curlovers. We got some BC Racing Extreme Lows. I went with a 12K spring rate, which is the highest they offer without going to a Swift spring upgrades. So got some dampening adjustment for the rear. Got some extenders for those. That's about it. It took about a whole 6 weeks to get here, so I'm really glad that they're here, and see if this doesn't take us all night to do, but it should be pretty quick. Go ahead and stand on the brake for me. I want to break all these loose, and then
yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh.
Yeah, I locked the steering wheel. I gave it the wood on that last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quick tip. Don't use a torque wrench to loosen your lug nuts. Yeet!
It's a wheel.
Oh, we need big dicks for this. Jesus Christ.
Big dicks. Whoa. Look at that. You can find anything in there. Find some bangers, dude. I don't want to get copyrighted.
He just shakes his butt. My goal is to be lower than Austin sitting right now.
Is that possible?
No, it won't be that low. Offers at COILOVER that allows me to be that low.
Oh shit, who's that? Who's that though? Who's man's? Who's man's? Oh shit, who's man's?
Oh, is Andrew now filming? Yeah. After all these things we've done, and he's just now filming.
Most unreliable filmer on the planet.
Who's man's?
Wow, look at this. Look at this. Hey, I'm Andrew. Let me just make all these videos, have 2 ready to go, never upload them. Let me give you some more space, pal.
Oh shit.
I almost have the front right off.
Yeah,
it's
hit.
literally just dangling.
Fucking job.
I'm just trying to get
Not
these
paying you.
Yeah, so they're set, the dampening set, and the
That's a chicken breast for Subway.
Oh, it farted. Ooh. Oh, wait, that Euro gang? That Euro gang? Ooh.
Also, I wouldn't do the top hats first. I mean, I know you've done it before, but it was really simple just to unbolt everything, do the top hats last, and the thing just drops out. But, hey, I'm not questioning what you're doing. I'm just saying.
You got the master right here.
I have the Mitsubishi shirt on. I am certified to work on Japanese cars. Hey, do you have your bolts?
Are you questioning him?
Yes. There's a lot of shit going on down here, I can tell you that.
You see, on the FRS, like mini cars, pretty fucking straightforward. You get 2 bolts right here that mount to the hub. Then you got the one for your end link that mounts to your sway bar. So you take that out. And then whatever clips hook on here. The FRS is kind of annoying. It's got the brake clip and these dumb plastic clips that I think in mine are actually zip tied. I didn't even fuck with these factory clips again. I just zip tied the goddamn things.
Innovation, man.
Innovation.
Toyota.
Go
places.
Go places. Actually, I'm just pushing on it. I already got that tie rod out, baby. Yeah.
See how this car is, Andrew? This isn't like a shitty VW where like they just have holes in the fender that like just go to nowhere. This actually is like suitable for working on in like a working environment. Well, for better than fucking Volkswagen.
No, man, Euro gang, you guy.
Fuck you.
It's a class above.
It's a class, yeah, above fucking
My pay grade.
All these.
12.
12?
12. 12?
Oh, 12K?
12K? Okay.
Remember when
big dick.
when these guys tighten those?
Big dick.
What am I got on?
You need a...
Nope. Nope.
So it's an adjustable tie rod?
Yeah. Coilover gets shorter or taller based upon how you want it. So they send you a tie rod that's adjustable because it's got to be shorter or longer based upon how fucking slanted. Good shit.
She's out.
Oh my god, it's so fucking low.
Whoa. Oh, whipping.
Sorry.
It's like
It's a 1 minute show. I'm a 1 minute guy.
You got a new car though, like
Yeah,
yeah. Let's go check it out.
Mark
Ooh.
7 GTI
Autobahn.
DSG transmission. It's a little dirty.
Oh, look at LED interior lighting there. Yo, he still has a price tag in there too.
Yeah. I'm trying to flex. Just kidding. You can't really flex with these.
Oh my god.
That's not even. A, that's not even as low as they can go, and B, that's not even settled.
And C, that's
That's the camera I'm looking for.
right there. Like,
well, do you want to adjust camper before we put it on the ground?
max? We max.
Yeah, let's just max them out. It's hot. Andy, when are we gonna start on the burger bars? What time is it?
9 o'clock. You guys getting hungry?
I could eat.
You could eat. Okay. We'll start with burgers.
I'm gonna be weak. Oh my god, he's actually driving it. No, he's not right now.
Go drive the whip. All summer 18, baby. Can't reach the gas pedal.
This man just pulled up like this.
Hard to hit the brakes. It's just like ultimate.
How are we feeling? Oh, stop. Risky. Oh, right there? Sheep. What are we looking at? This is a blind install right here. Tell me a direction.
Go up.
Right here? Just go up?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah. Yep.
I'm through?
Fucking in, baby.
Woo!
Holy shit. God damn. Oh, buddy. Oh my god.
I gotta do a little
Hand maneuver?
Good old.
Yeet.
How's the food, bro?
shitty.
One bite. Everybody knows the rules.
One bite?
One bite.
Fuck. Hold on.